Swayam Sevak Sangh or the RSS is commemorating 100 years of its formation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi there is present at the Dr. Ambedkar International Centre in New Delhi, not just as the nation's leader but as the chief guest at a celebration that marks a century of ideology, identity and immense influence. It's in fact in a symbolic gesture, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi there is releasing a specially designed postage stamp and commemorative coin immortalizing the RSS's contributions to nation building, discipline and social service. Prime Minister very shortly from now will also be in fact addressing the gathering, reflecting on the Sangh's legacy and its evolving role in India's future. Founded in 1925 in Nagpur, Maharashtra by Dr. Keshav Baliram Hedgewar, the RSS began as a volunteer-driven movement with a mission to instill cultural pride, national unity and a spirit of unwavering service. Let's take this discussion forward. I'm joined by Arun Anand, author and senior journalist. Thank you very much, Arunji, for speaking to News9. Arunji, 100 years of the Sangh. What do you think has been the biggest factor in its journey from a small Nagpur-based group to a national force?
I think the biggest achievement of Sangh is that it has created an awareness about the concept of nation first. And let me tell you, as far as Sangh is concerned, Sangh does not consider itself to be an organization within the society. The core concept of Sangh is that it is basically organizing the society and it does not want to take any credit for it. So selfless service, I think that is basically one of the key things. Also cutting across party lines, cutting across caste, creed, religion.